Okay. So, did you know you can say the same sentence in two different ways, and both can be correct? That's the magic of active and passive voice. Let's master it today. Hey everyone, welcome back to our English learning corner. Today we are going to learn active and passive voice. What they mean, how to use them, and when to choose one over the other. So, first let's begin with what is active voice. Active voice is when the subject does the action. In simple words, it's direct, pure, and simple. For example, the chef cooked the meal. Here, the chef is the subject, cooked is the verb, and the meal is the object. The subject is performing the action. Okay, so whenever the subject does the action, it's called active voice. Now let's see what is passive voice. So, in the passive voice, the subject receives the action. We usually use it when we don't know who did the action or when the doer is important. Doer means when someone is performing the task. For example, here the chef cooked the meal. So, the chef is the doer. Whenever someone, person, or thing we are specifically talking about is known as a doer. Okay, so here passive voice mean a meal was cooked by the chef. Here the meal becomes the subject, but it's not doing the action, it's receiving it. So now we'll get to know how to change active voice into passive voice. Here are four steps which you have to generally follow to change active to passive. Step number one, identify the subject, verb, and object. Make the object the new subject. Use the correct form of be plus past participle of the verb. Add the "der" means for the person we are talking about, whosoever is doing the action. With by, which is option, you can use by too. For example, it activates a teacher teaches English. In passive, if you want to change English, which is was the object here, is taught by the teacher. The subject comes on the end. Okay, and teachers changes to taught. English is taught by the teacher. So, what we'll get to know when to use active voice. When you want to be clear and direct in most everyday conversations and writings. When to use passive voice where the door is unknown. For example, a window was broken. The sentence is quite incomplete, no? But door is unknown. We not specifically get to know like what's literally happening or whom we are talking about in this video. When the door is less important than the action. The roads are clean daily. Yeah? So now this is a quick practice for you. You have to change the following sentences into passive voice. The cat chased the mouse. Okay, so it's the okay. Sorry for inconvenience. They will finish the project. She sings a song. Okay, so I want you all to complete the sentences and comment me down because I would be very happy to read the comments. So please don't wait. Go and the comment down the answers for these questions. So remember, active voice is when the subject does the action. Passive voice means subject receives the action. Clear? So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more English lessons. Waiting for your answers in the comment box. See you in the next one. Bye.